Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cool draw on effect in CapCut. So first you actually have to open Instagram, choose any background you'd like, and I'm just going to select draw and use the green brush to create like this draw on effect. Make sure you screen record it. I forgot to say that. You have to screen record yourself, like creating like this sort of pattern on the background. Then go to CapCut, open up a video, select overlay, and add in the video that you screen recorded. Like so. Oh, it's not this one, hold on. I chose the wrong video apparently. Okay, so it's this one. And I'm just going to split it right at this moment. And then I'm going to align it with the video. And I'm also going to zoom in like so. And then after that, I'm just going to select the overlay. Go to chroma key, hold on. Go to chroma key, select the green part, and adjust the intensity like so. And that's pretty much it. Let me just turn the volume. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!